Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining my channel, RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and
In another video, I showed you
also
what an
get
EPUB
updated
file is,
when
and
new videos are
you
uploaded
need a
in my
special
channel.
reader to open it.
Thank you so much.
So let's say you're more comfortable using PDF files, so you would want to use a PDF version of this rather than an EPUB version where you need a special reader for that. Uh, so this is an open book file format, as I told you in the previous video. So now there is a website called PDF to go where I can convert this EPUB file into a PDF. So I just drag it, go to the website, drag the file into the location. It's loading it up. It's already loaded. So I click on start. So it starts converting the EPUB file to a PDF. Once it is ready, it should be you should be able to download the PDF version of this. In fact, it automatically starts downloading. So it'll be there in your download folder. So once you have it, so the PDF version of the file is available and you can open it with the regular PDF reader. So hope this helps you. I'll share the website in the description. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.